Hi. Yeah, so this is the setup for our solar water heater. So this right here is the 120 by 40 liters capacity. So I'll take you through it. This is just a Testron installation. So basically, this is a 120 liter by 40 liter. So what happens is we have 18 vacuum tubes, 18 solar vacuum tubes. So once this is installed, you have to, there's a point here where you have two holes. One is the inlet, then one is the non-return valve and the air vent. Then right here under the hot water flask, you have the outlet pipe. Once you assemble, the video is attached to this. Once you assemble, the water supplies from the overhead tank into this point here. So this water fills this tank up, the 120 liter tank.